Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, great, amazing. You guys are having a good day, night, wherever you're at. I am coming to you because it is almost that fall season, almost in a couple months. October and Halloween, of course. December, Christmas, of course. And one of the things that always comes up for Christmas, I have been into Nightmare Before Christmas since I was a little girl, since the movie came out, and it's just been my thing. I really like it, especially dark. Okay, sorry. Hence, my husband got me these earrings, and my sister got me this collection, Nightmare Before Christmas Colourpop Cosmetics collection. So, I got this. I got Jumping Zero. So, I got this palette. I got Sally, and she's an ornament. Then I got Jack with Zero, and he's an ornament too. And Oogie. So, of course, I did an unboxing, and I also did the swatches for you guys. And now, let's get on to the makeup. ahead and use the palette. Start off with Meant to Be. So I'm starting off with Meant to Be. What I like is that this palette, oh, does have some fallout, guys. I mean, every palette has fallout, but as you can see, let's go for trying to build it up here in the inner corner. Sorry guys, I'm on my phone. My camera battery died and I don't have a replacement, so I'm gonna have to do with what I have. I did finish my eyes. I also put on fake eyelashes, of course. I didn't want to put a lot of foundation. I did put some, but I didn't want to cover up a lot because it's really hot and I know I'm gonna start sweating and all of that, so I just don't want to deal with that. The point of this video, like I said in the beginning, was to show you guys what the swatches looked like of the lipstick and the eyeshadows and mess around with it like in my eyes. So okay, so now I just need the lip. Should I do half and half? Half the lip, half the lip. Ah, let's do it. That is actually pretty. Okay guys, so I did half and half lipstick so you guys can tell. So this one would be like that nude. This one's a bit more. I'm gonna go with the pink. Let me do all pink. So I like the pink a lot. I like the lipsticks a lot. Those are the colors I really do like wearing. So my final thoughts on all of this, guys, is that the eyeshadow palette is just so pretty. I really like the pigment that each eyeshadow has. The eyeshadows are just beautiful. They do have fallout, and of course every eyeshadow has fallout from any brand. It just depends how much fallout it has. I did notice that in some of these, like in the Meant to Be and in My Bones, the fallout was a little bit, actually sorry, Meant to Be and Dear Friend, the fallout was a little bit more than in My Bones and Halloween Town. But I really do like these eyeshadows a lot, so I really do like them. I want to play with the other colors later, so let's see if I can even film that. But I really like how they feel. They feel very smooth when you're applying them. They blend in really well, and you can also build them up, and that's what I did like in the inner corner, and I really like that about eyeshadows. The lipsticks are so soft and creamy when you start putting them on, and let me just say I really like them. I like Oogie, Sully, of course the one I'm wearing, and Jack. Okay guys, I put Jack on and I really like. Well, that's that, you guys. And again, I'm sorry for my battery dying on me and having to be on the phone, but I really like this one with the red. Like, I really like these colors. I'm not just saying it because I like Nightmare Before Christmas a lot, but telling you what I think. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support that you guys are giving me, and I hope to see you guys soon. And I will do, of course, more makeup videos, more mother videos. Like I said, my videos where I have my little outlet where I can put whatever I want to post, and I hope you guys follow me through my journey and like what I do. So thank you guys so much again. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a good night, evening, morning, wherever you're at. Be safe now, and I hope to see you guys soon. Again, thank you guys so much. Bye.